Hello friends, welcome to our channel IT India. This video is related to TCS Elevate Wing 1 DCS September 2021. In this video, we are going to discuss 5 important questions from reasoning ability, and this is going to be part R4 for reasoning ability, and part R1, R2, R3 are already uploaded on this channel. Link will be available in description. So this is our first question. In the following Venn diagram, the pentagon stands for architect, the circle stands for morning workers, and square stands for diploma holders. The given numbers represent the number of persons in that particular category. How many diploma holders are also morning workers but not architect? So first of all, diploma holders, and diploma holders are square. So square are diploma holders, diploma. And now it has been asked how many diploma holders are also morning workers. So morning workers means circle. So this is common portion, but not architects, and architects are represented by pentagon. So this area will also be excluded. So only this portion will be left. So answer is 40. Now pointing to a person, Mr. Abhilash said, he is my sister's mother's only son-in-law. How is that person related to Mr. Abhilash? So first of all, Abhi, and it should be in triangle, and it is given he is my sister. So here is sister, sister's mother's, and here is mother's only son-in-law. So mother's son-in-law means husband of her sister. So how is that person related to Abhilash? So how this person is related to Abhilash? He will be brother-in-law of Abhilash. So option C is correct. Now select the option in which the numbers are related in the same way as are numbers in the given set. This is the set given to us: 12, 60 and 96. And I hope you have cracked the logic as of now, because this is very simple. 12 into 5 is equal to 60 and into 8 is equal to 96. So in the same way, 11 into 5 is equal to 55, but 11 into 8 is equal to 88. So it will not be correct answer. Now 15 into 5 is equal to 75 and 15 into 8 is equal to 120. So this will be correct, and no need to check these ones. Now how many rectangles are there in the given diagram? In part R1, I had told you to calculate number of triangles. Triangle is given like this. So we can follow the same logic here. First of all, consider only this triangle. There are 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have to add here cumulatively 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, and it will be equal to 10. So number of rectangle in this particular portion will be equal to 10. Now consider this one. If you consider this one, there are two triangles. 1 plus 2 will be equal to 3, but this rectangle is common. Minus 1 is equal to 2. Now consider this portion. 1 plus 2 plus 3. So 1 plus 2 plus 3, it will be equal to 6. And now from this portion, 1 plus 2 plus 3, it will also be equal to 6. But this rectangle is common, so it will be equal to 5. So 10 plus 2 is equal to 12 plus 6 is 18 plus 5 is equal to 23. So option C, 23 will be correct. Now a piece of paper is folded and cut as shown in the question figure. Here, first paper is folded from here, then upward, and then thisward, and 3 holes are made in it. From the given answer figures, indicate how it will appear. If it is folded like this, so it will be unfolded like this. So these 3 holes will be here, here, and here. So these will be holes, and after that piece of paper is folded upward, so it will be unfolded downwards here. So these similar holes will be repeated here, and after this paper is folded this side, so it will be unfolded this side. So these all circles will be copied to this portion. So first of all, these 3 holes should be there, and here is no such holes. Here is also not. Here is also not there. So this will be correct answer. And this was very obvious question. If you just look at the options, you will clearly find it, because at least there should be 3 holes at this corner. at this corner. So this was very easy one. Now, in the question given below, find the odd one from the given responses. And now, in the question given below, find the odd one out from the given responses. So LA. So positional number of L is equal to 12. LA 12, and for A it is 1. So 12 minus 1 is equal to 11. And here it is written 11. So it is following. Now for D and G. For D it is 4. For G it is 7. So 7 minus 4 so 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. But here it is written 4. So this will be odd. Now let us check for RB. Positional number of R is equal to 18. And for B it is 2. It is equal to 16. And 16 is also written here. Now ZC. For Z it is 26. And for C it is 3. It will be equal to 23. And 23 is also there. So this is only option which is not following the pattern. So this will be correct answer because odd one is asked in the question. So guys, this was all in this video. Thanks for watching this video and please do subscribe this channel IT.